music can be an instrument of enjoyment. So you can sing about love, you can sing about whom you're going to bed with next. But in my environment, my society is underdeveloping because of an alien system on our people now. So there's no music for enjoyment. There's nothing like love. There's something like a struggle for people's existence. So, as an artist, politically, artistically, the whole idea about your environment must be represented in the music, in the arts. So really, art is what is happening at a particular time of a people's development or underdevelopment, see. So I think as far as Africa is concerned, music cannot be for enjoyment. Music has to be for revolution. Really working with the people, enlightening the people, and doing your duty as a citizen. Play music and act and do something about the system. If you feel bad about it, do something about it. I see Africans today, what we do, what we'll do is just we suffer, we smile, you know. Every African man smiles. How are you? You see, we smile because we are good people, probably, but you see, people don't have to smile in a bad condition. That is making the matters worse. That is going into slavery. You see, because our condition is not a condition of smiling. So I write a tune called Suffering and Smiling, you see. And it's doing very well. As a matter of fact, I think it's my biggest hit now, for years. It attacks the religion, you know. It uses this religious thing to go and attack the ills of our society, to see why the things happen, why the police brutality, army oppression, you see.
To the north, most Allah, Chineke, the most higher God, the children of Ama Iwa Ekpe of Igbo. Ama Akoji Makuriji, meaning the yam fade. Akoji Makuruji, now Benue or Benua, and Makodi, Josu, Plateau, Taraba, Jalingo, Nasarawa, Lafia, the now North, Central, or Middle Belt, in the Jokono of Igbo, them be Orata of Igbo, Kwara Rafa, na the word name of Aramuru. Umu Jokono, children of Okanem, Orata, ya Ahia, to Afia, now Lafia. Ahia means market, and Akoji na the land of Ahia market, the food basket of the world. TV, modern name. TV means television.
Life is like a hurricane here in Duckburg. Race cars, lasers, aeroplanes solve a mystery or rewrite history.
Idoma na city town. We have Edo in the region Arianti, the now Japan, Edo, now Tokyo, and Japan.